Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my workbench down in the basement. So today just going to be doing a little bit of pinstriping on a piece of well, antique history, old junk. You can call it whatever you want, but I think it's cool, and I think because it's got cool patina on it, it needs some pinstripes. So follow along. I'm just going to start drawing out some designs and then we'll sling some paint. So here we go. Alright, so I have my tin box marked up with a few ideas for lines, and I used a few different colors of Stabilo pencil. Wipes right off, glass cleaner or soap and water. I used red for a grid, I used black for one color, white for another color, and that just gives me ideas of where I want to go. And I deviate from that all the time, but at least it gives me some guidelines. And back here I'm just using some really thin masking tape, I plan on putting a couple of teardrops back in there. You can see inside I'll probably do a couple different colors. I don't want to cover up any of the writing that's already there because I think that's kind of cool, but just kind of accent what's already there. And it's time to throw on some music, get something cold to drink, and lay some lines. Using alpha enamels, and, using brushes made by both Alpha Enamel themselves. There's the Alpha 6 twister, and I'm also going to be using this one, Mr. Oz Black made by Mack brushes. So those two are what I'm going to go with tonight. So let's get to it. Alright, so here we go. Try to do all the outside pieces there. I might add a little bit more up on the front, do something different there, but I wanted to at least get some color on every part, and then add some embellishment up inside the lid, and, something kind of fun there. The rust did a little bit something with my brush in a couple spots, so I think I'm going to let it dry and then go over it again a second time, just to clean up my lines a little bit. But yeah, for the most part, I'm happy with that. So let it dry a little bit. I'm gonna put my name on it and sign your work, and then over those couple of spots that I just want to touch up a little bit.